Okay. Hello. Hi, how are you? Good to see you again. Can you see me? Can you hear me okay? Let's see. Let me see if I can. I make sure that everything is working okay here. Just hold on. Okay, now I see some comments. All right, good to see you. Thank you very much. How are you today? So the background is different, and because I am in now France, Paris, and visiting here for 2 weeks. So I came to Paris this Monday, and I will be here for the next 2 weeks. So already excited to be here, and I really enjoy the experience over here overall. The cold weather is very nice. It's cool and refreshing. I also even enjoy rain, so it's been really nice. Okay, so all right, now I see some comments still. Reza, thanks for joining. And Brinkland, good to see you from Copenhagen. Good to see you. Thank you very much for joining. All right, Sieza, good to see you. And Vic, and Photo, Orania, and Riyadh, and everyone, good to see you. Okay, I see comments now, so that's good. And okay, sounds good. All right, sounds good. And you can see me also, right? So looks like it's working perfectly. So let me officially start now. Okay. All right, so yeah, let's see. Okay, good to see you. Good to see you. Yes, just stop it. Good to see you too. Thanks for joining. Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are now. Okay, all right. Okay, Orania from Holland. Okay, good to see you. Thanks for joining. And Philip, good to see you too. Thanks for joining as well. All right, Evan from Singapore. Also good to see you too. Okay, it's really nice to see everyone from different parts of the world. It's amazing. Okay, so now let me switch screen. Just hold on, let me try to be careful. I make sure that I switch screen okay, because last time this is my laptop and I have my second screen connected my laptop. I have actually 2 screens right now, and I just make sure that I am sharing the right screen. Okay. Yeah, K broke the Kumo upwards. Yes, that's right. I feel much better now. I feel much better, and I'm coming back to my routine. So yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Okay. So now like this. Let's see. Okay, like this. I think I can. Oh no. Hold on. Let's see. Like this. Okay. And then I put the window like this. You can still see me, right? On the lower left corner. Yeah. Okay. So I feel like I'm a totally newbie because this is from laptop. It's been a while since I did a live stream from laptop last time. But yeah, I think this is okay now. Okay. So let me now switch screen to trading view. Like this. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I think you can see the chart, right? Okay, all right, good. Video ads, thanks for joining, and thank you for the reminder for the like button. Yes, if you liked the live stream, please press the like button before you leave. That will be great. And Arvin, good to see you too. Thanks for joining as well. Okay, so yeah, so now let me officially start the live stream. Hold on, let me see if I can use a pen tool. I can draw things. I can draw happy smiley face. I can put arrow. Okay, that's perfect. All right. Now I can do everything. Okay, good. So yeah, let's see. Markets are very choppy among the pairs on my watch list. So we are within the very difficult or tricky market right now. Yeah, so let me double check news first. I screen charts twice already today, and this is my third time screening charts. But there were some big news. So let me double check if there's any big news ahead today. So here is a calendar, and okay, and then just put today, click apply, and I get today's news. So today, earlier we had the news on Australia. It was positive, so AUD should be bought because of this. And then also there was a news in Canada. Okay, rate decision is the same, 5%. So if I want to see how the news affected the markets, I usually refer to the strength chart, the currency strength chart that you may already know. It's this one. Okay, so according to the strength chart now, let's see. Okay, so USD and JPY are both strong, which is really rare. Usually USD and JPY are negative correlation. So, but they are both bullish today. I think because of the CAD is now bearish. Okay, CAD just went down very fast within the last 5 minutes. I wonder if that was due to news. Let me see. Yeah, CAD, again, there was a big news about 2 hours ago. The news, it was 2 hours ago, but then now CAD sold very much, and JPY and USD are going up. So basically they are like opposite direction from overall opposite direction. So it's really a tricky market. Euro is up also. Euro is up, and pound is in a sideways. Swiss franc is in a sideways today, and CAD just sold. New Zealand is now bullish, and AUD is now bearish. Okay, but looks like overall the market has been very choppy like this. You know, whenever you see the strength chart, whichever strength chart you refer to, and when you see these crosses like this within a day, that means the market is very choppy. Like in the morning time in Asian session, AUD went up very fast because of the news, then gradually went down. And after UK opens, AUD got sold. So yeah, this is a very tricky market. If you see the stable trend in markets, then currency strengths will be looking like this. The all day should look like this, and this is like a stable, more stable trend. Each pair, each currency, stably bullish, bearish throughout the day. That's an ideal trending market. But whenever they cross within the day, then that means this is a very tricky market now. And I feel like I don't want to trade today. So because most likely I think they are all choppy. So then also later part today in about 49 minutes there will be a BOC Bank of Canada press conference. So that may affect CAD and other pairs too. And also later there will be news in Euro and also USD. Okay, so yeah, we have lots of big news also after this live stream today. With that in mind, if you check the markets, then I think today I was monitoring CAD-JPY first because it was bearish. And daily chart is now touching the Kumo, Senko span A. So when it's bullish Kumo, upper part is called Senko span A, and lower part is called Senko span B. You can actually remember as A and B. I think that's easier. But Senko span A and B, and the price is now touching Senko span A, which is upper part of the Kumo. So from here, it may be supported and goes bullish. That's one of the scenarios. Today is bearish, but this bearishness is not trustable. I mean, it may not continue to go down, is my opinion. So that's one thing here. And also there was Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross over here, and also Chikou span breakout too. Yeah, so if the price goes into Kumo, then it's like airplane going into the storm, and I think the market becomes very choppy. So it won't be ideal. So yeah, CADJPY may be difficult, although it's bearish today, is my opinion. And also, I was watching, I think it was one of these pairs. I think it was USDCAD. Yeah, USDCAD is bullish today. And again, this is a daily time frame. It broke the resistance level of 1.3784 today, and it's still moving up. So I think USDCAD is one of the best pairs to trade right now. Let me check the 4-hour also. Yeah, 4-hour broke the resistance. However, I see that the Kumo is thinner. Kumo is getting thinner and thinner, and also you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are completely together. And when you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen completely together like this, that means this is overbought. So right now it's bullish, but it can retrace anytime. So I think in this case the best option is to wait for the retracement and wait for the pushback to buy. So I expect this kind of a scenario to happen. So then we have, in about 50 minutes, we have a news. So the news may cause the market down, then maybe supported by here. Then after that, after news, the market may be bullish, is my scenario today. So whether it's going up so fast or going down so fast, I recommend not to trade. But if you are already in a trade, then you can keep holding the trade. You don't have to exit, because just because it's overbought, you don't have to exit. You simply trail the profits and take profits whenever the market retraces. Yeah, but if you didn't trade yet, then I don't recommend to do it so right now. So that's USDCAD, but this can be one of the best pairs this week and next week. So let's monitor closely together on this one. Other pairs I was watching was USDJPY is near 150, but looks like it's too scared to touch that level because BOJ intervenes, and what happened on 3rd of October, there was a big spike down, and like this one, and it went down like more than 300 pips in 5-10 minutes. It was really a big move. So looks like the market is losing the volatility here near 150. So USDJPY may not be the good pair to trade right now. Excuse me. So let's see. Coming back to the daily time frame, I think these are the two pairs I was watching today. Again, CADJPY and also USDCAD. CADJPY daily is into the Kumo, but if you look at the 4-hour chart, it's bearish. But again, the Kumo is getting thinner, and also Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are too close. So this is oversold. The market may retrace. So let me check some other pairs. Swiss franc JPY has been bullish until 19th October, but now this week it has been retracing. So I also waiting for the buying opportunity on Swiss franc JPY. I am drawing this kind of a scenario to happen. Then if I see 4-hour bullish, then I buy at some point around over here. Then expect the new N wave to happen. Then the target is going to be 170, the round number, exact number, because this is all-time high. Swiss franc JPY is all-time high now, so if there is no other resistances, then the next targets are going to be the next round numbers. So yeah, so that would be the scenario. But today it's retracing, so it's not the best timing to buy or sell. I mean, this is retracing, and I say that this is bearish. So you may think that, so why don't you sell right now and target on the previous support? And that is understandable. So here's TP. You sell here, and that's okay in terms of the direction. But we never know how many hours or days it takes for this market to go bearish. I say it's bearish, but it may take a couple of days. And within a couple of days, you keep have to waiting and until the market touches, and even so, the pips you gain will be very small. In this case, the pips between the price now and also the previous resistance level is 63 pips or so. So 63 pips you may gain in few days, and it may not really so time efficient. So that's why, or also the other scenario is it doesn't touch the TP and the market takes off bullish this way. It happens also many times. So that's why in this case I don't sell. I don't trade against the major direction in this reason. So yeah, Swiss franc JPY, I continue to monitor and look for buying opportunities. Yeah, so among my watch list, I think these are the 3 pairs I was interested today, but the rest of the pairs are still consolidating, I think. If you see any other good pairs, please let me know. But I think, yeah, that's my analysis. Among the pound-based pairs, they are also consolidating now. So yeah, they are not really trending. Pound JPY is still within the P wave. So yeah, I think the market goes down to the lower part of the P wave, I think. And it may take a few days, few weeks for this one too. Like last time when the market touched here, October 3rd, and after this, the market started to be bullish and touched here, and it took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days or 7 days. So it took whole 1 week to get there, and it went up like 240 pips. 240 pips in 1 week is okay. So I think in the P wave you can take contrarian trade because of the potential pips is good. But if it's only like less than 100, then I don't think it's worth to trade. But let me check some other markets. Pound AUD has been supported by the trend line, by the yellow trend line. So I think the market comes down here and then bounce and goes bullish. That is my scenario, like this. So let's see. I think the rest of the markets are very choppy. So oh yeah, Euro pound can be good potentially. Euro pound broke the resistance level of 0.87, and I think that's bullish. And yesterday, if you closely look at the candlestick, yesterday there was a pin bar. Pin bar means a very tiny body and a long wick pointing down. I was actually talking about the pin bar exit timings in KTS Academy and also GTS graduate live stream earlier today. But the pin bar is the sign of the potential trend, potential new trend. So yesterday there was a pin bar, and today it may break the pin bar bullish. If it does, then I think it takes off bullish to the next targets. I can see that the previous resistances is now becoming support. So this is what I call reversal pattern. Previous resistance becomes support, then it takes off bullish like this way. So we will see. We will see if that happens. For now, I just have to monitor because we never know how it closes today. If this closes with a pin bar or very tiny body or even like a bearish bar, now so far it's bullish bar, but it may close with a bearish bar. Then from tomorrow or next week, the market may start to be bearish also. And as a result, this part becomes a fake. So to avoid a fake breakout, I wait for the breakout of the pin bar bullish. Then that will be safer to look for buying opportunity after this. Kumo shape is looking good. Kumo is getting thicker and bigger. So that's a bullish trend nicely. It's a nicely bullish trend, stable bullish trend. Tenkan-sen is up. Kijun-sen is now flat. Chikou span above candles. So it's all bullish now. So yeah, we will see. So that is the Euro Pound analysis. Yeah, Euro AUD is now also a bit ranging now. Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat also. So yeah, it's a bit tricky market, I think. Yeah, and then also let's see. Euro CAD is also within the P wave in the bigger picture. There was an overshoot on between 25th and also the 29th of September, but overall still within the P wave. So this part was only the fake breakout. I mean this part over here, but it has been resisted and supported. So I think next week the market goes bearish to the support of the P wave. I think the market is going to be bearish sometime next week. Yeah, so then Euro JPY is near the resistance. I thought the market would break 159.77 on 23rd of October or even 24th of October, but looks like it didn't happen still. So I am still waiting for the breakout of the resistance. If it does, I follow it, and the next target is going to be the round number, which is 161. This is all-time high. Euro JPY is also all-time high now, so the next targets are going to be the next round numbers in that case. But yeah, that's what I see in terms of these Forex pairs on my watch list. Okay, let me check some comments now. Again, thank you very much for joining, everyone. Great to see you again. Ken Lee, thank you for joining too. Muhammad, BTC review. Okay, BTC, let me see. I heard it's bullish, but let me double check. Okay, yeah, BTC is not bullish. It looks like it was very aggressive on 23rd of October. So it broke the resistance level 31,867. I think that was significant. But now the Kumo is very thin, right? Kumo is very thin, that means overbought. So I think the market comes down to the previous resistance, then takes off bullish this way. That is my analysis. Yeah, whenever you see Kumo thin like this, just be careful. Never jump in the market. Well, this is crypto, so I'm not sure. I never trade cryptos, so I only trade Forex. So this is just my idea. But yeah, BTC USD is overbought. Let me check the weekly. I think weekly I mentioned that the Kumo breakout last week or this week. But yeah. So right, last week on the week of 16th of October, the market broke the Kumo, and this week it broke that resistance. So like this Kumo breakout was the big sign for this new uptrend for the last 2 days. And Kumo is now bullish. Oh, I think Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are together now. Let me see. Completely together. Let me cancel the candlesticks. Yeah, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen completely together on the weekly chart. So that means it's overbought. Overbought. Yeah, so I think correction needs to happen. Then it may take off bullish. Yeah. So that's BTC USD. If it goes bullish, the target is going to be the next resistance, which is going to be on 48,234. Okay, so that's the analysis. Okay, and gold. Okay, gold is, let me see, is it bullish? Let me double check. Okay, let me check daily chart. Daily chart gold is still range. Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat, Tenkan-sen flat. Chikou span above candle, so it's bullish. But this week has been ranging now, so I think the market comes down to 1952.71, then goes bullish. Like I mentioned before, this is called Y wave. If you put one horizontal line like this, then like a shape of the Y horizontally, and when you see Y wave on any time frames, then this becomes very tricky. So the market may fake break out that resistance because of the Y wave, then may retrace. So the best option is to wait for the N wave. And yesterday was a doji, today is bullish, so this can be the pushback. So when you see N wave, then I think that will be a good to buy. Otherwise, I think it retraces to the previous resistance or to the Kumo. So for me also, I do trade gold whenever I see great opportunities. So I continue to monitor this one. Yeah, so let's see. So that's gold analysis. Okay, Bank Nifty. Let me see. Bank Nifty, I think I have it under stocks. Here, yes. Okay, Bank Nifty is now bearish. Right, now bearish. And it broke the neckline of double top. Okay, neckline of double top was on 43,588. And also there was also the support level, how do you say, like a support zone, I would say here, between these two levels. Yeah, between these two levels there was a support zone, and it broke bearish yesterday and today. So yeah, this is downtrend bearish. I take out my arrow up and the resistances. And now it's going bearish. Kumo is down, Kijun-sen down, Chikou span below candles. So now it's going bearish. Yeah. So it looks like a big direction change on Bank Nifty now. Yeah. It topped on the 15th of September, and ever since it has been bearish. It broke the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Kumo, Chikou span breakout, then now it's going bearish. It may test the previous support level, then goes bearish too. But overall it's downtrend to me. Yeah. Okay, let me see some other comments now. Alright, hello everyone, thanks for joining, good to see you. I see lots of comments as usual. Okay, Reza says, can some places of Kumo that are in flat be used as important points of support and the resistance? No, I don't think so. Support and the resistance should be on the candlesticks, not the Kumo. Yeah. Okay. James says small trades earlier on CAT JPY 1 hour, sell break even. Okay, that's good, that's good. Yeah, you make sure you set break even, then so that you don't lose. Then you can leave, enjoy your life. That's my strategy. Okay, hello John, good to see you. Abby says, please explain Nifty 50. Okay, I have that here, Nifty 50 index. So Bank Nifty is bearish, and Nifty 50 is it's also bearish. Yeah, this is identical to Bank Nifty. So looks like the P wave is now broken bearish. Remember I was telling about the P wave on Sunday's weekly forecast. And today it broke bearish. It broke the P wave and also the previous support. So yeah, the price is going down now. But the Kumo is very thin, so that means this is oversold. Kumo very thin, so it's oversold. So I think the market test the previous support level 19,227.23, then goes bearish. Once it does, the target is going to be on down here 18,640. This is the swing low of the market and also high. So I think this is decent to set the target on this level. Okay, yeah, so that's my analysis on these ones. Yeah, so how are you everyone? How are you? Good to see you again. Live streaming from France, Paris. It's been great so far. It's been a bit rainy these days. Yesterday was a very sunny day. Today is also a bit cloudy but sunny. Looks like no rain, so it's so refreshing. I love the smell of the rain in town already. It's very nice. Okay, so let's see. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, Nasdaq daily time frame. Oh, this is about to break the P wave bearish. Remember I was saying that this is descending P wave? So looks like the market did not break the P wave bullish. So I take out arrow up now. I take it out and now it's going down. So now the market is on the support level. So yeah, this week the market may break the support. I have actually analysis in Ichimoku lines and it shows that there's a potential breakout this week. So today, tomorrow, or the day after, the market break and I think the bearish trend may happen. So yeah, this is bearish now, Nasdaq. So looks like the indices are all changing the direction too. So in Forex are very spiky and we are in the very difficult time to trade. Okay, Rodrigo says, hi K, can you analyze USJPY? I have bullish bias. Right, USJPY is bullish, but like I mentioned before, BOJ may intervene whenever the price reaches 150. So like what happened on the 3rd of October, there's a big bar bearish, and it may happen whenever it reaches there. So yeah, it's bullish to me also, but I don't want to trade. It's too risky to buy now. You may lose big when there's a big spike. There is something called slippage, and even if you have a stop loss, you may cut down and you may have bigger loss than stop loss. Okay, Om says, hi K, since stocks and crypto have much more up-down side than Forex, is Ichimoku still as effective in markets with unlimited up-down side in the price? Yes, it is still effective. Ichimoku is still effective, yes. Because Ichimoku is not for the stable markets only. Ichimoku also, you can also analyze markets by Ichimoku in a choppy market too. And there are so many strategies of Ichimoku, so many strategies. Like a Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, cross, Chikou span, and forecast lines, and time cycles, price theory, wave theory, so many tools and also the ways to analyze markets. So it's effective. Ichimoku is not just an indicator. Ichimoku is not just about 5 lines. There's much more to it. Okay, yep, you're welcome. And Sumi says, hi Kay, so glad to see you in full spirit. Do you have a suggestion for someone who wants to implement KTS on higher time frames like monthly and weekly for larger time frames? Stop loss will be too big in that case. Yeah, stop loss will be too big, but if you follow the monthly or the weekly time frames, then that will be more like a swing trading style than daily time frame to follow. So yeah, it works also. You can use higher time frames to follow with KTS. It works great on the stocks and index. When I backtested it, it worked very well. But in Forex, I don't use weekly or monthly because I hardly see those time frame trends with my strategy. Especially monthly chart. If you see Forex monthly chart, mostly they are a range in terms of Ichimoku. That's why I do not use or follow the monthly. Even weekly time frames all sometimes, basically range in Forex markets on my watch list. And that's why I mainly follow daily or 4 hours. But if you trade on other markets which have stable trends in longer term, then you don't have to use daily chart. You can use higher time frames to follow. But the same strategy. You simply shift all time frames higher, but use exactly the same strategy, same risk management, and same mindset. Then you can actually become a swing trading style. And I think that's very safe than changing to whole new different strategy to apply on higher time frames. Yeah, you have to have like different psychologies, and it may be difficult to balance if you have different strategies. So I stick to my own strategy, my only one strategy, then I apply it in other markets in different time frames. Yeah. Philip says European and Asian indices are bearish. Okay, right. Yeah, even US Nasdaq was bearish, almost. But let's see. So like Euro stocks, Euro 50 is now bearish. Right, this is a daily time frame. It's bearish. Below Tenkan Kijun Sen, Kumo is now bearish too. Right. Yeah, looks like all the indices are now bearish. FTSE 100 is also bearish. CAC France is also bearish, about to break the support. Yeah, Germany 40 is also bearish. Yeah, Nifty is also bearish. Broke the support now. And Australia 200 is also bearish. Yeah, looks like indices are all bearish now. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Gabriele says, hello Kay, please can you get a look on Solana and XRP charts? Crypto market has been really volatile these last days. Solana is one of the cryptos. Let me see. I may checked it longer time ago. So let me see if I still have that on my watch list. Solana, I think I saw it somewhere. Is this one? No, this is SOL. Solana. Yeah, let me double check. Oh, so it's SOL USDT. Okay, so I have it here. A 10% increase. That's a big bullish trend on this one. Yeah, it's bullish, but the Kumo is thin, so it's overbought. Yeah, it's breaking the resistance level now. 31.99, 32 level. It's breaking. Yeah, but in terms of Ichimoku, it's overbought. I think correction may happen, then goes bullish. Yeah, and also let's see, XRP Ripple is also on my watch list. XRP is now still a range, but good thing about this one is that it broke the Kumo and also the resistances. So in today's pin bar, bearish pin bar, but from tomorrow, if the market breaks the pin bar bullish, then it may take off bullish like this. This is about the candlestick pattern. So yeah, it may be a good market to follow bullish trend. I think the Kumo breakout on XRP is now significant. So yeah, looks like we have lots of cryptos are moving up now for some reason. So again, I never trade cryptos and I never hold any cryptos before. So this is just my analysis. So my main focus, my main profession is in Forex. So just for your information. Okay, let me check some other comments. Okay, AUD/USD is looking for a potential breakout. Let me see, AUD/USD. I think I checked it earlier, but let's see. Let me double check. Right. Yeah, AUD/USD. I'm still waiting for the breakout of the support. Right, support level of 0.6285. But yeah, this is descending P value also in a smaller picture. Now it's like this. So yeah, I think the market breaks the support level anytime soon. Right. So yeah, lots of other pairs are potentially having breakout soon of their major support and the resistances. Then we may see another big trends. Seiza says, which is more profitable, trading stocks or Forex? It depends on which strategy you use and which time frame you use. So I mainly trade Forex, and Forex moves up and down every week. This week may be bullish, but next week may be bearish. That's Forex. But stock market tends to be bullish, right? So I think stock markets are for more longer term, in my opinion, and Forex is more for short term trading. Okay, so let me check some other markets now. Okay, let's see. Navaneet says, what will be the target for USDC80? Right, USDC80 target is going to be, let me see, on if it breaks the resistance, right? If it breaks that resistance level, then the next target is going to be on the tip of the wick over here, which is 1.3862. Yeah, that's the target next. Looks like now it's closing below the resistance of 1.3784. So that means if it closes like this today, then this may become double top. It may retrace continuously, and it may break the, at least at first I think it retraces to Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen on the daily chart. So yeah, that's USDC/AD now. Okay. Denise says, must be amazing to do a live stream from a holiday spot. Yes, exactly. That's right. Yes. Yeah. I really enjoy my holiday here in Paris, France now. It's been so great. Okay. Yeah. Ivan says, thank you very much. If mostly indices move up downwards, do you think the economy will face recession? I don't think so. Just because the index going down, it doesn't mean that it's a recession. Okay, let's see. Aran says, K-sensei, when will be the next GTS class? The next GTS class is going to be in January 2024. So it happens every 3 months. And you can also already check the schedule on the website. The link is on the below description, so please check. I also uploaded my monthly performance also in there, and interviews, and also my live trades videos in that webpage, GTS Global Trading School webpage. So please double check. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, just stop. It says, Master, I have noticed in backtesting that Chikou span breaks the candlesticks right before gold and dead cross. Does this count as 2 if you are waiting on Sanyaku Kinko Hyo or Sanyaku Gyakuten? It doesn't count as 2 actually. If the Chikou span breakout happens before the gold cross, then it's not the right order. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross has to happen first, then Chikou span breakout, then Kumo breakout, meaning Sanyaku Kinko, Sanyaku Koten, and Sanyaku Gyakuten are becoming more trustable. So there is a right order for these in everything in Ichimoku. Okay, so yeah, I think again now the pairs and markets are a bit choppy, so I continue to monitor, but no rush. Do not force yourself to trade. If it's too choppy, or if you keep losing, then just take a break, take a day off, or tomorrow take 2 days off, and come back Friday or next week. Always, the market's moving every day, but if you rush too much, then you may revenge trade, or you may have to difficult in psychology. So I think we better just calm down and look for the best opportunities among the markets. Okay, so I think I will finish the live stream for now. I'm glad that the live stream on this mobile is the laptop is not working, so it's great. So after this, in about 10 minutes, there will be an Ichimoku membership live stream. So for those who are Ichimoku members, I will see you soon. I will put the link on Discord so you can join there. And we continue to analyze markets by Ichimoku strategies. And to those who join public live stream here today, I will see you in the next one. So until I see you next time, either way, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Okay, bye for now. Matane, thank you very much.